HSC chemistry questions a day until you get a band 6, day 3.
This is a really common question, so I'm going to be explaining the process a little bit more in depth. So we're asked to calculate the pH of the resultant solution, and we're given both the volume and the molarity of both the acid and the base. So the first thing you want to do is actually write down the equation. Don't forget your states. And then after you do that, you want to calculate the number of moles of acid, in this case is our HNO3, and the number of moles of base, in this case is KOH. Now, whichever one is in excess in this example, it's our base. Since they're in a 1-to-1 ratio, we do the number of moles of our base minus the number of moles of our acid. If it was not a 1-to-1 ratio, you just use stoichiometry and multiply by their molar ratios. So this is the number of moles in excess of the base. So all we have to do is add up the 30 mils and the 40 mils, because that gives us a total volume of 70 mils, and this is in liters. And then since KOH is actually a strong base, all of it will dissociate into OH minus. So all we have to do is just find the concentration of it for our POH. So we do the number of moles over the volume, and then we find POH as normal, and then we do 14 minus POH, or 14 plus the actual log value we get, and then we get 13.06, which is B.